In the last lecture, we have studied about the types of ligands. Now we are going to study some important terms in a coordination compounds that are given in a book. That is coordination sphere. What is meant by coordination sphere? Coordination sphere means the central metal ion and ligands linked to it. The central metal ion and ligands linked to it are enclosed in a square bracket. This is called as coordination sphere. This is called as a coordination sphere. For example, K4 Fe is square bracket, that is enclosed in a square bracket. This Fe is a central metal ion. Cn means cyanide. These are ligands. These are 6. These are enclosed in a square bracket. This is the square bracket. That is called as coordination sphere. This sphere is called as a coordination sphere. Do you understand? This central metal ion, that is Fe, and ligands linked to it. These ligands are linked to this central metal ion, and these are enclosed in a square bracket. These all are enclosed in a square bracket. This is called as coordination sphere. This square bracket entity is called as a coordination sphere, and this coordination sphere, it is non-ionizable sphere. Non-ionizable sphere means when this coordination compound dissolved in water or in an aqueous solution, then this iron and cyanide does not get in a free form. Therefore, this sphere is called as a non-ionizable sphere. Means ions does not get free. Therefore, it is called as non-ionizable sphere. Again, one of the example, platinum, NH3 twice. These are enclosed in a square bracket. This platinum is a central metal ion, and this ammonia, that is 2. That is called as ligands. These are enclosed in a square bracket, and that is called as a coordination sphere. या sphere लगा मतलब अपन coordination sphere. This coordination sphere is non-ionizable sphere. That is called as a non-ionizable sphere. An ionizable sphere is Cl2 ions. Cl2 ions are called as counter ions. And these are ionizable. Means it gets in a free form. Now next, the charge number of complex ions means the net charge present on the complex ion, that is called as the charge number of the complex ion. Means you have taken here example FeCN6 that carries -4 charge. On this complex there is a charge present, that is a -4, and that is the algebraic sum of the charges carried by the central metal ion and the ligand. It is the algebraic sum of the charges carried by the central metal ion and ligand. From this charge number of the complex ion, we can determine the oxidation state of the metal ion in a coordination compound. For example, we have taken here example K4 Fe Cn 6 times. Here what happens, this coordination sphere carries a negative charge, that is -4. FeCN6 -4. This -4 is the algebraic sum of the charges, carried by this central metal ion and the ligand. Means we have to determine the oxidation state of Fe. We know cyanide carries -1 charge. Cyanide carries a -1 charge. Oxidation state of iron is, it will be the X. Therefore, Fe means X. That is algebraic sum, means here sign will be plus sign. Then cyanide carries negative charge, that is -1. How many cyanides here? 6. 6 into -1, and that is equal to -4. Here X, 6 into -1 means -6 is equal to -4 as it is. Then this X as it is -4, this plus 6 goes on that side, becomes -6 goes on this side, becomes +6. We will get here X is equal to +2, and X means that is oxidation state of iron, and that is +2. Here oxidation state of iron is +2. Okay. Therefore, this charge number of the complex ion is useful to determine the oxidation state of the metal in a coordination compound. Now, coordination number. What is meant by coordination number? Coordination number means the number of lone pairs donated. Coordination number of the complex ion. Is the number of lone pairs donated, or the number of lone pairs which form the coordinate bond. For example, cobalt NH3 4 times Cl2. This is one of the coordination compound. Here that carries positive charge, that is +1. That is a plus. Positive means +1. Here we have to determine the oxidation state of cobalt here. That will be X. Okay. Ammonia having 0 charge. And Cl having a -1 charge. Okay. Therefore, how many ammonia molecules here? 4. 4 into 0. Then plus again. Cl2. How many chloride ions here? 2. Into. That charge is -1. That is algebraic sum. Its algebraic sum is +1. Therefore, X here 4 into 0, 0. Then plus 2 into -1, -2 is equal to +1. Therefore, X is equal to this +1, and this -2 go on that +1 side, that becomes +2, that is equal to +3. Here cobalt's oxidation state is +3. The oxidation state of CO cobalt is +3. How many? +3. Now you have to determine the coordination number of cobalt. You have to determine here the coordination number of a cobalt. What is meant by coordination number? Coordination number of the complex ion is the number of lone pairs donated. By ligand. How many ligands are present here? this ammonia and chloride, these ligands are present here. These are monodentate ligands. Ammonia and chloride, both these are monodentate ligands. And these monodentate ligands, how many ligands total? These ammonia 4 ligands and chloride, these are 2 ligands. Total 6 ligands present here. Total 6 ligands present here. Therefore, it can donate 6 lone pair of electrons. It can donate 6 lone pair of electrons. Therefore, coordination number of CO plus 3 ion is 6. Coordination number of CO plus 3 ions is a 6. Means the number of lone pairs donated, that is the coordination number of that metal. That is the coordination number of that metal.